cultures that foreground ecological knowledge and background technology are the ones that are truly sustainable. And we do the complete opposite. We are creatures of place. And if we don't become creatures of place again, we will absolutely annihilate every place for every species. The story I guess we're telling is our household and community transition away from what I've called hyper-techno-civility, which is a hyper-urban, technologically focused, ecologically deficit culture. I guess why we were drawn to permaculture all those years ago was that permaculture was a way back to have a connection with the things that make living possible.
Each day is an adventure, and I think having a child in the house, for Woody to wake up and he throws himself at the world.
How big's that? I've been using an app until I was 3. Got my first Opinel when I was 3.
And I said to him last week as I was putting him to bed, you know, how did it feel to be you today? How did it feel to be living your life? And he said, Mum, it was beautiful.
I think the responsibility people who have historical privilege have is to live better, is to learn and pay respects to Dja Dja Wurrung culture, local Aboriginal culture, is to live responsibly and with low carbon or positive carbon impacts, and look after the world and plant for the next generations. It fills us with joy to live with that amongst all the gloom and all the terrible things going on.
It was just sitting there, that thing at the tip. So we hauled it home, and we knew just where to put it. You'll never be a failure.
For us, it does make a difference to live like this. With every bit of salt that I add to the cabbage, it makes a difference. For every shovel in the ground, it makes a difference. This is not for everybody. This is just how we're choosing to live and how we're responding to the world.
That's
Da, da. Love those endings.